Meet Tom, a small business owner who runs a successful transport company. Tom is passionate about his work and his customers and is constantly looking for ways to expand his business. He's been eyeing a new truck for months, but is hesitant to take the plunge because of how hard it can be to get a loan for a small business. One day, Tom discovered Chevron Equipment Finance specialise in financing trucks and trailers. Intrigued, he decided to investigate further to see if they could take the pain out of purchasing the new truck. After speaking to an equipment finance expert at Chevron Equipment Finance, he realised they could be the solution he'd been looking for. Tom had always been sceptical of the lengthy application process involved in equipment finance and all the paperwork and financials required. But Chevron made it so simple and easy. The pre-approval application process could be completed online in only 5 easy questions, and the formal approval came through only a day later, without needing to provide any financials at all. Getting the application and approval quickly allowed Tom to focus on his business. Thanks to Chevron Equipment Finance, Tom's dream of owning a new truck became a reality. The team of finance experts worked closely with him every step of the way to ensure he got the best deal possible. He was able to secure a flexible payment plan that fit his budget, and the process was fast, easy, and he didn't even need to provide financials. In the end, Tom was able to expand his business and take on more work with his new truck. He couldn't have done it without the help of the team at Chevron Equipment Finance, who made the financing process a breeze. If you're a small business owner like Tom who needs truck finance, don't hesitate to speak to Chevron Equipment Finance. Our team of experts is committed to helping you find the best financing solution for your business needs. Click the Apply Now button on our website to get started and take the first step towards growing your business today.